Today I'm going to show you a really quick way to get your web pages done, and that is by using dictation. So we're going to be able to use our Impal headphones and make sure that this is on blue. On your keyboard, you're going to click the Windows button and the H button at the same time. And you're going to click yes. We can do our start voice typing. There may also be another option right here where we're going to click settings, and we're going to click the automatic punctuation. So that way when we end a sentence, I'll automatically add a period. And we can also click the voice typing launcher, so that way it'll be ready to go often. The next one is we can just set the default microphone, and that's going to be on the Impal HC, because these are the ones that have the microphones built in. Okay, and after that, we should be able to click record and start. Today I want to build a new website focusing on Shanna Roberts. I am 55 years old and a graduate of Auburn University. Between Auburn and Southern Lee, you can most often find me wearing orange and blue clothing. During football season, I love my Auburn Tigers, and even more so during basketball, since we are doing much better. In my free time, I love going to the beach on Topsail Island and spending time with my friends. There's nothing like the cool ocean breeze to help you forget your problems. If you notice, it's listening to one sentence at a time, and then it will put it on the screen. Make sure you are speaking clearly, and when you finish, you'll need to go back through, stop the dictation, and go back through with the spelling and grammar check. At the end, it's all your responsibility to make sure that the spelling and grammar is done.